Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back to Blessings Kitchen. So today I'm gonna share with you how I make this delicious recipe. So for that we need 4 eggs. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some black pepper. And a little bit salt to the egg. And then I'm gonna be mixing them together. So to grease the pan, you need a butter, so guys, like and subscribe if you haven't. So at this point I'm adding some green onions, chopped bacon. You can add whatever you want. I have here some cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. You can also add in as much as you want. And of course, I have my toast. And I'm just gonna mix the chopped garlic with the butter, and I add a little black pepper and salt. And I'm just gonna mix them together. So yeah, that's it, guys. And guys, don't forget to like and comment on the section below, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And so yeah, we're just gonna bake this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah guys, that's it. And it's so easy, guys. Tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.